How to download YouTube video to mobile. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So what we want to do is go ahead and find your YouTube application and click on it. Make sure you're signed into the right account that you want to download from, and then just go ahead and find whichever video you want. It could be a short as well, or it could be, obviously just a normal video. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one right here. Now, once you find the video you want to download, when you do this, you're going to basically be able to watch videos offline and store them. So it's going to be very useful for flights or just anywhere where you don't have internet connection. What you want to do is go over to the left where you have all these bars, and you're going to see a lot of options, but you're going to see download as one of the options. What I want to do is go ahead and click on download, and it's going to say download quality. So I can do full HD or whatever I want, but just bear in mind the storage will increase. Go ahead and press download right there, and it's going to say downloading, as you can see. And then what I can also do is press view, and then it's also going to show my downloads right there as well. I can also dismiss that, and then I can also have recommended downloads. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it.